Hey everybody, what's going on? Josh here with Scrapyard Films, and today I got an announcement video. Woo! So I have a bunch of extra games that I bought over the years and a bunch of extra keys, and I wanted to give them away to people. And by a bunch, I mean I have exactly 100 games that I'm going to be giving away to people. So instead of dragging this along over the course of a year or 12 months or something like that, I'm going to be doing a rapid fire giveaway. This is going to be 100 games given away in 10 weeks. I'm going to be giving away 10 games to 10 people a week for 10 weeks till all 100 games are given out. And the rules are simple. We're going to be using Gleam, but we're not going to be doing a bunch of extra entries. It's just going to be watch this video and then comment on the priority of the game you want. I'll be listing 10 games and I'll be giving them all a number, and you just put all those numbers in order of what you want the most to what you want the least. So whenever I draw a name, I'm going to be choosing the number highest on their list that isn't already taken. There's a lot of chances to win, so stay tuned for the weeks to come. I'll be uploading more tutorial videos. I'll be streaming a lot more on the weekends. If you got any questions, ask in the comments, but it's pretty self-explanatory at this point. Starting next week will be the first giveaway of 10 games, so definitely don't forget. And through the coming weeks, I'm going to be posting a bunch of extra hidden keys across my channel, maybe in the community section, maybe in a stream one weekend, and it's just going to be a key that you can redeem on Steam for games. So if you stick around and watch some stuff, check for hidden messages and you can win a game. So that's going to wrap it up for this video. I'll see you guys in the next one.